Imagine a life without debt. Picture waking up every morning with a sense of peace, knowing that your financial burdens are a thing of the past. No credit card bills hanging over your head, no more sleepless nights worrying about how to make the minimum payment, no car payments draining your bank account. Just pure financial freedom. Imagine the joy of owning your car outright with no monthly payments to worry about. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's a dream that can become your reality. Well, it's closer than you think. With determination and the right plan, you can achieve this dream. Becoming debt-free is not just possible, it's your first step towards building real wealth and achieving millionaire status. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your savings grow and your debts disappear. Many people believe that becoming a millionaire is an impossible dream. They feel trapped by their current financial situation. They see it as something reserved for the lucky few. But the truth is, anyone can achieve financial freedom with the right mindset and actions. But the truth is, achieving financial freedom is within everyone's reach. It requires discipline, planning, and a commitment to change. It all starts with a simple yet powerful decision, taking control of your finances and breaking free from the chains of debt. By making this decision, you open the door to a future filled with possibilities and financial security. So take that first step today and start your journey towards a debt-free life. Debt is a heavy burden. It's like carrying a weight that never seems to lighten, no matter how hard you try. It weighs you down, steals your peace of mind, and keeps you awake at night. The constant worry about how to make ends meet can be overwhelming. Debt prevents you from achieving your financial goals. It's a barrier that stands between you and the life you dream of. Every financial statement you look at seems to mock your efforts. Every dollar you send to creditors is a dollar that could be invested in your future. Imagine if that money was going into a savings account or an investment portfolio. Instead, it's money that could be growing, building wealth, and securing your family's financial well-being. Think of the possibilities if you could redirect those funds towards something that benefits you and your loved ones. Think of debt as a giant roadblock on your path to becoming a millionaire. It's an obstacle that seems insurmountable, blocking your way to financial freedom. It stands in your way, preventing you from moving forward and reaching your full potential. The effort to overcome it can feel like pushing a boulder uphill. Every month, you're forced to hand over your hard-earned money to pay off this debt, and it feels like a never-ending cycle. The reluctance and pain of parting with your money is a constant reminder of the financial strain, leaving you with less to save, invest, and build a brighter future. The hopelessness of seeing an empty wallet and the dejection of facing financial documents can be disheartening. But remember, every step you take to reduce your debt brings you closer to financial freedom and a brighter future. The first step to becoming debt-free is changing your mindset. You need to believe that financial freedom is possible and that you have the power to achieve it. It's time to stop making excuses and start taking responsibility for your financial well-being. Start by changing your relationship with money. Instead of viewing it as something to be spent, see it as a tool to build a better future. Adopt a mindset of abundance and believe that you deserve to be wealthy. This shift in perspective will empower you to make smarter financial decisions. Now that you're committed to becoming debt-free, it's time to take action. And the most effective way to tackle your debt is with the debt snowball method. This simple yet powerful strategy involves listing all your debts, from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Start by making minimum payments on all your debts except for the smallest one. Then throw every extra dollar you have at that smallest debt until it's gone. Once it's paid off, take the money you were putting towards it and add it to the minimum payment of your next smallest debt, and so on. Small victories, big rewards, celebrating milestones. As you start paying off your debts, celebrate each victory along the way. Every debt you eliminate, no matter how small, is a significant accomplishment. These small victories will fuel your motivation and keep you going on your journey to becoming debt-free. Remember, becoming debt-free is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but by breaking down your goal into smaller, more manageable steps and celebrating your progress, you'll stay motivated and on track to achieving financial freedom. Stories of triumph, inspiration from real people. In this section, we delve into the real-life experiences of individuals who have faced financial challenges head-on and emerged victorious. Their journeys are not just stories, they are blueprints for success that you can follow. You're not alone in this journey. Many people have walked this path before you, and their experiences can provide valuable insights and motivation. Whether it's through community support or personal determination, the road to financial freedom is paved with the stories of those who have succeeded. Countless people have successfully used the debt snowball method to become debt-free and achieve financial freedom. This method, which involves paying off debts from smallest to largest, has proven to be an effective strategy for many. The sense of accomplishment from paying off each debt fuels the motivation to tackle the next one. Their stories are a testament to the power of this approach and can serve as inspiration for your own journey. Hearing about others' successes can ignite a spark within you, showing that financial freedom is not just a dream, but a reachable goal. Take, for example, the story of Sarah, a single mother who was struggling to make ends meet while drowning in credit card debt. Her situation seemed hopeless, but she decided to take control of her financial future. By implementing the debt snowball method and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, she was able to pay off over $20,000 in debt in just 2 years. Sarah meticulously tracked her spending, created a budget, and stuck to it. She also found ways to increase her income, such as taking on a part-time job and selling items she no longer needed. Today, Sarah is debt-free and well on her way to building a secure financial future for herself and her children. Her story is a powerful reminder that with determination, the right strategy, and a supportive community, anyone can overcome financial obstacles. Sarah's journey is not just about paying off debt, it's about reclaiming her life and providing a better future for her family. Her success is a beacon of hope for anyone facing similar challenges. Life after debt, the millionaire mindset. Becoming debt-free is just the beginning. Once you've eliminated your debt, you'll experience a newfound sense of freedom and financial empowerment. You'll have more money to save, invest, and pursue your passions. But more importantly, you'll have developed the mindset and financial discipline of a millionaire. You'll understand the value of living below your means, saving diligently, and investing wisely. These are the habits that will pave the way for long-term wealth creation. Your journey starts today. Take the first step. The journey to becoming debt-free and achieving millionaire status starts with a single step. Don't wait for the perfect time or for your financial situation to magically improve. The best time to take control of your finances is now. Start by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and identifying areas where you can cut back. Then develop a debt repayment plan using the debt snowball method. Commit to your plan, stay disciplined, and watch as your financial situation transforms. Join the movement, connect and share your story. Join the growing movement of people who are taking control of their finances and building a brighter future. Share your story, connect with others, and find support and encouragement along the way. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Together, we can break free from the chains of debt and achieve financial freedom. Subscribe to my channel, Online with Teresa, for more tips and inspiration on how to win with money. Leave a comment below and share your debt-free goals. Let's hold each other accountable.